2014, 1251. The market is about to close. But we're going to feature Intercept right here. It's a biotech company. They had some great news that's going to help the medical community. In fact, that news was so good that we traded up to $490. And you can clearly see over here you had a parabolic move from 350 straight up right here on this 3 minute. Then on 113 today, we started right up here the other day on 113 now. That's earlier in the morning. And we went down all the way to a low here of $319. And I will also be happy to say that this is a 3 minute chart, and here is the follow. You can clearly see that the close on Friday was 445. You can see today that the low was 319. You can see that the high reversal on this 14th day of January was exactly 380 on the high, now printing at 359. You had a huge gap down because you went from 445 to 319. Now, they have a special cure that has something to do with the liver. This stock, based on its fundamentals, can continue to go extremely higher. And one of the things, it finally got a major breakthrough. And I would just like to show you guys here, MMTs, what this monthly chart looks like. And you can clearly see right here that we went straight parabolically up. And it all happened right up here to 490. And this is the January. This is the best stock movement so far in 2014. There isn't one any better. And this is that monthly chart. And not only that, when we break down the fundamentals going throughout the year, ICPT could easily trade above 650. Just remember the last high was 490. And you can clearly see it printing here. $18 million money flow, down $87 from those peaks. And that's really par for the course, because when you're looking at this 30-minute chart here, you can clearly see what the ranges were. You can see how we had that lower trend line and we broke higher. And yes, there was a lot of institutional people buying the fade back. And we too are in that camp. And this is one that we're going to be featuring. It's going to be an outstanding company this year. The kind of medical breakthroughs that are going to get approved by the FDA are overwhelmingly wonderful. And I can say, hey, that is the good part to the medicine. Yes, it's a 3-minute chart. However, here is that weekly breakout right here. And this was the prior week, which was a short holiday week. Was full 5 days last week. And once again, I'm just going to let my MMTs be aware of the fact, and our traders around the world, there it was, right below 500, 490. Now look, here's the half bar value, okay? So that these dips are going to be viable. And this is a weekly chart on ICPT, Intercept Pharmaceuticals, Inc. And so far, out of every stock on this planet, as of this date of 1/14 of 2014, there is no other stock in any other sector that has done this. And once again, biotech, we have clearly said that biotech will still outperform in 2014. And we have a slew of biotech names that we really trade. And not to mention some of the ones that we know that are on sale and they're going to go higher. And this is just the beginning of 2014. 2012-13 was a great year for biotech. That will continue to move higher because there is going to be more new drugs getting approved by the FDA this year that will go in the pipeline. And once again, it can last for several years, you know. So basically, all eyes at support levels right above 300 on this weekly. And, this is the big breakout bar. So, $490 to where? Right back down to 319. That was the support level right here. And we will buy support and sell resistance. The stock can continue to go a whole lot higher.